This call is now being recorded.
Students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How is my voice? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Everything is okay. Board is visible and voice audible. Okay. So I will start now. Today, I will discuss about analysis of transistor amplifier using simplified hybrid model, that is H model. We will consider common emitter circuit and then simplify it. After simplifying it, we use that model. Okay, for finding the based on this, we will find the configurations, there are other configurations like common collector and common base. Let us consider the common emitter model. For common emitter model, the emitter is common. For common emitter model, we collect the output from the collector resistance, right? So from the collector, we will collect the output. So this is VC and input voltage is VB and input current is IB and output current is IC. Okay, now based on this transistor, let us write the equations now. H parameter equations we can say, that is input voltage is equal to HIE into IB is input current plus H RE into VC, and output current IC is equal to HFE IB plus HOE into VC. Okay. Now we'll draw the H parameters circuit now. Based on these equations, we will draw H parameter circuit. That is, you can say H parameter model. That is H model for this common emitter transistor. Current source, we call the current generator. This is voltage generator corresponding to this HREVC. This current is corresponding to this. IC is split into two currents. You can say IC, two currents, some of these two currents. So one is HFEIB, another one is HOE into VC. This output voltage is VC. VC by resistance is current through this. Okay, now let us simplify this circuit now and then find Y model. Okay, based on that Y model, we'll draw the circuits for, that is H parameters, simplified circuits for common base and common collector, and also for common emitter also will do. Okay. Now this transistor will act as an amplifier when you connect a load across these output terminals. It will be RL, and the input should be connected to a voltage source. Let it be RS, internal resistance be RS, and input signal is Vs, which is very small when compared to Vb. Just remember this point. Vc is always less than Vb. Vb is the biasing voltage. Now let us see how it can be simplified now. So we will go for simplified hybrid model when HOE into RL is less than 0.1. This is the condition. If this condition is true, then only we go for simplified model. So from this condition, what is HOE? HOE will also be less than 0.1 by RL. So which is much less than 0.1. Why? Because denominator RL will be a bigger value. So HOE will be much less than 0.1. So HOE will be ignored. So we put 0 in place of H0. If H0 is set to 0, then what will happen here for this resistor? 1 by 0 is infinite. Is it not? Infinite means it acts as an open circuit. No current will flow through this. So this can be removed. Students, are you following? Just I am simply saying. Yes or no, please.
Yes, sir.
If you respond, then I can continue. So here, HOE is ignored means assuming as if it is equal to 0 or tending to 0, whatever it be. So 1 by 0 is a bigger value, or you can say it is infinite. So when resistance is infinite, no current will flow through this branch. So I can remove this. So a part of simplification is over now. So what is the current now flowing through this now? IC will be equal to only HFP IB now. Okay. Further simplify, this HRE VC should be equal to 0. Let us prove that HRE into VC also should be equal to 0 in the simplified circuit. This is equal to what? HR into VC. This means magnitude of this. Need not consider this sign. This is why, because we are going to ignore that. Replace it by a short circuit. This is a voltage source. HRE into VC. So HRE into VC is IC into RL. Since we are considering only the magnitude, actually I should put minus IC. So it is HRE into IC is nothing but this value, HFE into IB into RL. Okay, but this HFE into the HRE into HFE is less than 0.1. Okay, so this complete part can be removed. 0.01, not 0. It is 0.01. So this can be replaced by a short circuit. To replace a short circuit, the circuit will be like this. So this is the simplified model for the actual model. This is the actual model consisting of actual parameters HIE, HRE, HFE and HOE. Okay. After simplification, these two are ignored. These two, HRE and HOE. So it contains only HIE and HFE. Okay. In the simplification model, VB is equal to HIE into IB and IC is equal to HFE IB. You can justify this from the circuit also. In the circuit also, you can see this IC is equal to HFE IB and VB, that is input voltage, is equal to HIE into IB. This HIE can be drawn here instead of here. I just place it here. HIE. So input resistance is HIE, you can say. RI is input resistance for this transistor, and ROE, not OE, RO is the output resistance of the simplified H model. So what is R0? Can you tell me? RI is nothing but BB by IB. So that is nothing but HIE only. So from the circuit, you can easily find out that RI is equal to input voltage by input current. If you're looking from this end, there is nothing but Ri, which is equal to HI. Or else you can apply KVL to this loop and then find out you will get HI only. But RO, the open circuit, here it is open circuited. There is no resistance at all from this end if we see. So R0 is infinite. For open circuit, resistance will be infinite. Okay, if it is short circuit, resistance will be 0. Remember this. So R0 is infinite, and from this end, RO dash will be equal to infinite resistance in parallel with RL, which will be equal to RL only. I have derived this in the class. That is 1 by infinity plus 1 by RL is equal to 1 by R naught prime. From that, we will get R0 dash equal to RL only. Okay. Then I will draw the Y model now. Based on this, I will draw the Y model, and from the Y model, we will draw the circuits for common base and common collector also. And then analyze those circuits. Analyzing means we'll find out current gain, voltage gain, input resistance, and output resistance. I've already told you what is Ri and what is Ro just by seeing the circuit. Okay, you can analyze these things. For this, I will draw the Y model now. I will draw this separately again. This is the simplified hybrid model. Simplified hybrid model, common emitter for common emitter transistor. C, IC, IB. This is the simplified hybrid model, HIE, and this is HFE, IB. Simplified hybrid model. So this can be drawn like Y network, like this. So B to E, between B and E, what element is there? Between B and E, HIE is there. HIE, and the current through this branch is IB. Between E and C, what is the element? Between E and C, this current source is there, HFE, IB. And the current which flow in this branch is IC. And current which flows in this branch is IB. IB. And HI is the resistance of this branch, this resistor in ohms. I'm drawing this line EE like this, okay? And IE will flow to this junction, okay, from this E. So IC from this terminal C, and IB from this terminal B, and IE from this terminal. This is Y model, you can say. This is Y model. Okay, using this model, I will draw simplified hybrid model circuit for common base and common collector, and also for common emitter also. Common base, common collector, and then emitter I will take. Already emitter we know that from this we can get this back. Okay, just to understand. To make you understand, okay? Then after drawing that simplified hybrid model for common base or common collector, then that should be connected to load, and then that should be connected to voltage source. That is signal input to input signal. Then only it can act as an amplifier. Okay. Here in this case, this one will amplify this input signal Vs, and this is available at the RL. Okay. So successfully we have drawn this Y model. Okay, from the basics, I think everybody understood this. Now, based on this, let us use this Y model to find out the simplified hybrid model for common collector, let us say, and then analyze that circuit. Analysis part, what we will do, we will find out current gain, voltage gain, input resistance, output resistance, okay, current gain with the source, considering the source, and voltage gain, considering the source. So all these parameters we will find out. Try to admit, but all has gone. Someone came just now. Who is that? Okay, common collector. So for common collector, baseline is C. CC is this is common now for both base and emitter. Amulya. Okay, let us look at this common collector model now. Common collector circuit, that is the transistor. I'm not drawing that common collector transistor circuit. Without that, I'm trying to obtain the simplified hybrid model for common collector. Now, for common collector is common. Now, what is input terminal? Is B, and output terminal is E. Okay. So between B and C, anything is there? Between B and C, any element is there? Nothing is there. Okay. Between E and C, you tell me. Come on, answer me. Students, respond. What is there between E and C? So that element can be drawn between E and C. Are you listening me or not? వినపడుతుందా?
వినిపిస్తుంది
అటెండెన్స్ కావాలంటే ఇచ్చేయచ్చు, దాని ఏముంది, ఇచ్చేస్తే వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు అందరూ. సో జస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ వై మోడల్ బిట్వీన్ ఈ అండ్ సి, బిట్వీన్ ద టెర్మినల్స్.
సార్ ఆ రైట్ సైడ్ ఇవి కనిపించడం లేదు సార్ సరిగ్గా, అవి ఏం రాస్తున్నారు? అవును సార్.
హెచ్ఐఈ నాకు కనపడుతుంది బాగానే, నేను ల్యాప్టాప్లో చూస్తున్నా. ఇట్ ఈస్ విజిబుల్ ఫర్ మీ. ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ విజిబుల్? అందరికి సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లమేనా?
కొద్దిగా అంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ కొద్దిగా కనిపెట్టున్నది సార్, అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు.
కొద్దిగా కనిపించట్లేదా? ఓకే, విల్ డ్రా ది సర్క్యూట్ ఇన్ ది సెంటర్.
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్, వాళ్ళు జూమ్ అయి ఉంటుంది, తగ్గించుకోమనండి.
ఓకే, విన్నారా? జూమ్ మీరు జూమ్ చేసినట్టు ఉంది, జూమ్ చేయకండి.
బోర్డ్ అంతా కనిపిస్తుంది.
నేను
సార్ జూమ్ తగ్గించినా కూడా ఆఫ్ కట్ అవుతూ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి సార్ అవి.
లేదు సార్, ఫుల్గా ఉంది.
ఏదో మిస్టేక్ మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నట్టుంది. ఎందుకంటే మీకేం సమస్య రాకుండా నేను మొబైల్ వాడుతున్నాను, ల్యాప్టాప్ వాడుతున్నాను. ల్యాప్టాప్లో నేను చూస్తున్నా వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ. కరెక్ట్గా అది ఫిగర్ కనపడతా ఉంది, అన్నీ కనపడుతున్నాయి. ఓకే, సెంటర్లో డ్రా చేస్తా. ఒక 1 minute కదా. సో బిట్వీన్ బి అండ్ ఈ an element is there, that is HIE, and current through that is IB. And between C and E, current source is there, or generator we can say HFE into IB, and the current flowing in this branch is IC, which flows from C to E, and IE will flow like this from the terminal A. You remember this, all the currents will move from the terminals into the network. So all will meet at this point, IC, IB and IE. Okay, this is the Y model. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, for common collector configuration, I will draw the simplified hybrid model now. In this common collector, the simplified circuit, we will find only this HIE and HFE only. Don't think that there should be HIC and HFE, HFC, since it is common collector. The circuit is based on this Y model. In the Y model, only these two are there, HIE and HFE. Okay. So based on this only, we are drawing the circuit, that is simplified hybrid simplified H parameter circuit for common collector. So for common collector, baseline is CC, let us say, and input terminal is B and output terminal is C, let us say, and between B and D, nothing is there, and between E and C, or between C and D, from C to E, IC is flowing. So between C and E, this current generator is there, between C and E. So just let us draw this line between C and D. So from C to E, this current will be flowing. What is that? HFE, IB. And from B, IB will flow. And from E, IE. Okay. And where this HIE will be? HIE ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది?
బేస్
HIE
indicated.
between B and E. So ఇక్కడ HIE వస్తుంది. HIE. So between B and E, HIE is there. Between E and C, HFE is there. Any confusion? Are you following? Is it easy or?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, very good. ఇక్కడ చూసుకొని ఇక్కడ డ్రా చేయాలి. ఓకే. BE. ఓకే, స్ట్రెచ్ చేస్తే రాదు. B and E ఇలా స్ట్రెచ్ చేసినామంటే ఇలా వచ్చేసి సిని ఇలా స్ట్రెచ్ చేసి అలా అయితే వర్కౌట్ కాదు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ మెథడ్. ఫస్ట్ డ్రా ద కామన్ కలెక్టర్, సో బేస్ లైన్ ఇస్ CC and then remaining things. Between B and E, first I have forgot, B and E, HIE is there. Between E and C, this current is there. It is moving from C to E. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, after this, what we have to do? We have to connect. Connect what? Load. That is RL. RL. And then on this side, voltage source. Before that, you mark this input voltage. Here is VB, and here it is. చెప్పండి, ఇది VC ఆ VE? VC na VE na? Output voltage for this transistor?
VE, sir.
E, sir.
VE, right. VE is right, not VC. VE is the output voltage. Now let us connect this to a small signal, small AC signal. This is very small compared to VB.
RS.
Now దీనికి అన్ని okay, for this circuit
IL.
అన్ని హంగులు వచ్చాడు. ఏమంటారు సంగీత?
It side IL. It side IL load current.
Okay, IL, very good. IL is the load current which flows through this RL. Okay. And I need not tell you IL is equal to minus I. Now let us analyze this circuit and then move on to common base. Okay, then analyze చేద్దాం. In the analysis part, what we do generally?
Current gain, voltage gain.
Yeah, very good. మీకు మైండ్ రికార్డ్ అయిపోయినాయి. అనాలిసిస్ మీన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ కరెంట్ గెయిన్, వోల్టేజ్ గెయిన్. సో కరెంట్ గెయిన్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇన్పుట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వోల్టేజ్ గెయిన్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అవుట్పుట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ what are the last parameters? Current gain with source voltage. Voltage gain with source voltage. That so with that this common collector will be finished. If time is there, we'll move on to we'll take up that common base and then common emitter. ఇది మీకు అర్థమైతే అది మీరు ఓన్గా చేసుకోగలుగుతారు. అర్థం చేసుకుంటే మీరు ఓన్గా మీరు అవన్నీ డెలివర్ చేయవచ్చు. దీనిలో బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ మీకు తెలవాల్సింది కేవీఎల్, కేసీఎల్. ఆ నెట్వర్క్ అనాలిసిస్ కొద్దిగా తెలిస్తే ఇది ఈజీగా మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లెట్ us ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏఐ నౌ. ప్రీవియస్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇక్కడ మనకు పనికి వస్తుంది. ఏఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు చెప్పండి.
కరెంట్ గెయిన్ సార్.
యా, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు
IC by I.
కరెంట్
IE
గెయిన్.
by IB.
Now it is amplifier now, not only a transistor. It is acting as amplifier. It has got input and it has got
IL.
output. So you should tell IL.
IL by I.
Right. IL by
IB sir.
IB. IL by IB equal to
Minus IE by IB.
IE by IB. Right. So let this point be N. At this point, you apply KCL. Why? Because we want this IE in terms of IB. If you get IE in terms of IB, then you will get some value without these variables, IE and IB. Is it? So tell me now, applying KCL at node N, you tell me the equation, what are the currents approaching? Let the sign of the currents approaching be positive. Let us take positive. Advanistam. I am taking positive. Okay. So what are the currents approaching? IB is approaching, right? IC is also approaching. Another current? What is
IB,
another? IE is approaching. IE. And we can say this as IC. Okay. So IB is approaching. I have already written. This is IB. IB is
Yes sir.
good.
IB IE IC.
IB, IE, IC. IB plus IE plus IC equal to 0. And IB, let it be as it is. IE, let it be as it is. Who do not know. Plus IC. What is IC? HFE IB.
HFE IB.
Good. HFE IB equal to 0. To take common now IB, 1 plus HFE is equal to minus IE. So IE is equal to minus IB into 1 plus HFE. Just substitute here. So AI is equal to minus IE. Minus of minus will become plus. Plus IB into 1 plus HFE by IB. By IB. IB and IB will go off. So finally, AI is equal to 1 plus HFE. Okay. So AI, current gain for this common collector simplified hybrid model, current gain is 1 plus HFE, not HFC, HFE, right? I'll write here, AI is equal to 1 plus HE, 1 plus HFE. Then I forgot to mark, this is RI and the output port, this resistance looking from this end, this is R0.
సార్ అక్కడ
And from
మైనస్
this-
పోతుంది
Huh?
సార్ ఏ దగ్గర మైనస్ ఎలా పోతుంది?
AI is equal to 1 plus HFE.
మైనస్
మైనస్ వస్తుందా?
అంటే మైనస్ ఐబి ఇంటూ
అంటే మనం తీసుకున్న మైనస్ IE by IB కదా సార్.
మైనస్ IE by IB నే AI
మనం
equal to
కనుక్కునేది IE
minus
వాల్యూ.
IE by IB, right? But IB plus IE plus IC equal to
0.
0.
0.
So IE equal to
IB
minus
IB
IB plus IC is equal to minus IB. What is IC? HFE IB
HFE
plus HFE
IB.
IB, right? IE equal to. So what is AI now? AI equal to minus IE by IB. Minus IE IB. Are you
Minus
can
minus side.
so minus plus అవుతుంది కదా? Are you right? This can be
Okay,
nothing but minus IE equal to 1 plus HFE into IB. So minus IE by IB is equal to 1 plus HFE. Right? So minus IE by
Okay,
IB is nothing but 1 plus HFE. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let us see about now input resistance. Input resistance Ri is defined as the ratio of what? Input voltage and input current. Here input voltage is VB and input current is, tell me, IB or not? Input voltage is VB and input current is IB. Ri, where is Ri? Not here. Here it is. It is input resistance. It offers resistance to the flow of IS. IS is trying to enter this circuit. It offers resistance Ri. Okay? The Ri should be more generally. So Ri is equal to VB by IB. So you apply KVL now. Tell me KVL. ఎక్కడ అప్లై చేద్దాము? In which loop KVL can be applied to find out this
First,
first loop? Huh?
yes, sir.
First loop it is
Input
possible
loop.
to apply?
Input.
First loop. ఇన్పుట్ లూప్ లో అప్లై చేసినామంటే ఓన్లీ కరెంట్ సోర్స్ ఇది కరెంట్ సోర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కేవీఎల్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చా? దిస్ ఇస్ కరెంట్ సోర్స్. కరెంట్ సోర్స్ లో కేవీఎల్ ఉంటే అప్లై చేయలేము. కేవీఎల్ అప్లై చేయలేము కరెంట్ సోర్స్ లో. కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లియర్ లేనట్టుంది. సో లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ దిస్ అవుటర్ లూప్. ఓకే. సో విబి మైనస్ హెచ్ఐఏబి మైనస్ ఐఎల్ఆర్ఎల్. KVL can be applied to any closed loop, is it not? So what is the closed loop here? C, consider the loop C, B, E, C, let us see ECC, C, B, E, C, C, B, E, C, again C, C, B, E, C, C, or just ఇక్కడ C mark చేసినామంటే you can write CB, EC, CB, EC. ఓకే, ఇలా కామన్ కలెక్టర్ ఇలా చేసుకోవచ్చు. నేను అర్థం కావాలని ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఇక్కడ ఒకటి సి పెట్టాను. సో ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ సి. సో సిబి ఈసి ఆర్ సిబిఎన్ఈసి. జస్ట్ మనం ఎన్నో ఆ నోడ్గా యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం కేసీఎల్ అప్లై చేసాము. దట్ ఈస్ లెఫ్ట్ టు యూ. సో ఐఎమ్ కన్సిడరింగ్ ద లూప్ సిబిఈసి. ఇన్ ద బ్రాంచ్ సిబి you move from C to B. What are the elements present in that? Voltage source unda leda? So plus and this is minus. This is plus and this is minus. Move from C like this. Ikkada andu em levu elements. C, rise in potential. So when there is rise in potential, what is the sign of the voltage source? KVL ఏడా ఉందా లేదా? ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు మీరు. వాట్ ఇస్ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ ఫర్ రైజ్ ఇన్ పొటెన్షియల్? ఇస్ ఇట్ పాజిటివ్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్? రైజ్ ఇన్ పొటెన్షియల్ పాజిటివ్, fall in potential negative. Remember this point. So if we move from negative to positive polarity, we consider that the sign, take the sign as positive for that voltage. Here we are considering VB. For this VB, it is plus VB. And if you move in the direction of current, if there is any voltage drop, then sign of that is taken as minus. Here we are moving in the direction of current here. There is voltage drop H IE into IB. So what is the sign of this? Since we are moving in the direction of current, sign of that voltage drop will be minus. If you move against the direction of current, if you move like this, if you move CE, BC, if you move like this, then it will be plus. And here it will be, VB will become minus. So are you aware of this sign convention for KVL? Speak out, students. కేవీఎల్ కేసీఎల్ లేకపోతే మనము డీప్గా వెళ్ళలేము కదా ఈ సర్క్యూట్స్లో అర్థం చేసుకోవడం కష్టం అనుకుంటా. I think so, around 35 students are there. Nobody is speaking. Speak out. Do you know KVL and KCL laws? సంగీత తెలుసా నీకు?
కొంచెం ఐడియా ఉంది
Yeah.
సార్, అంతే ఇంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఏం కాదు.
మరి అది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ టెక్నాలజీ మీది, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ కూడా కాదు. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్స్ లో
మాకు అవి
KVL
సరిగ్గా explain చేయలేదు సార్. మాకు అవి సరిగ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేదు అప్పుడు.
అవునా? అది చెప్తే మీకు ముందు కేవీఎల్ కేసీఎల్ చెప్పేవాడిని నేను, ఎందుకంటే అవి ఎక్కడ పోయినా ఇచ్చిపెట్టా మనకు.
అంటే మేము 2-1 లో ఉన్నప్పుడు వచ్చేవి సార్ వాళ్ళు క్లాసెస్ ఏం జరగలేదు కదా, మేమే చదువుకొని రాసాం ఎగ్జామ్స్.
అరే నాదే మిస్టేక్. స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ఈ బేసిక్స్ మీకు ఒకసారి చెప్పేసి అయిపోయింది. కేవీఎల్ కేసీఎల్ ఎనర్జీ అబ్జార్బింగ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఏంటి, ఎనర్జీ అబ్జార్బింగ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ వేసినా కానీ కేవీఎల్ ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది, ఎందుకంటే సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ ఈజీ. అట్లీస్ట్ టు లెర్న్ నౌ ఫర్ కేవీఎల్ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ ఈజ్ with respect to our direction. That means we are considering the loop CBEC. That means we are moving from C to B, B to C, and E to C. That is our direction, right? While moving in this direction, if there is any rise in potential, for voltage sources I am talking, the sign of that voltage source will be taken as positive since there is rise. If there is any fall in potential, you take the sign of that as negative. Rise means positive. Okay? పైకి వెళ్తున్నా అంటే పాజిటివ్, దిగుతున్నా అంటే నెగిటివ్ అనుకోండి. And if, with respect to voltage drop now, if we are moving in the right, while moving, we may come across the currents which are moving against us or which will be in our direction. That means we may be moving in the same direction of the current. Because కొత్తగా అనిపిస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ టైం కాబట్టి ఇవన్నీ కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ అసలు మన ఆలోచన చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనం సైన్స్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ మనం కరెక్ట్గా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో హియర్ ఇఫ్ యు మూవ్ ఇన్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్, sign of that voltage drop is taken as negative. Okay, ఏం చేస్తా అంటే let us move like this, C to B, B to E, E to C, and then move against the direction C to E, B to E, C to E, E to B, and B to C. అప్పుడు మీకు ఐడియా వస్తుంది కేవీఎల్ గురించి. సో ఐఎమ్ మూవింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ C to B, C to B, B to E, and then E to C. Now I am moving like this. Here I have encountered this what voltage source, rise in potential. So sign of that is taken as positive. Rise in the gravity, rise in potential. Okay. And coming to voltage drop, we are moving in the direction of current. What is the voltage drop here? H IE into IB. We are moving in the direction of current. We are moving in the direction of current. So the sign of that voltage drop is minus. If you move against the direction of current, then it will be plus. Next, coming to this now, E to C, this element is there, RL, that is passive element, it absorbs energy. So what is that voltage drop across that load resistor? RI into RL into IL. This is the voltage drop. Now what is the sign of that? We are moving in the direction of IL. Since we are moving in the direction of the current, the sign will be minus. Okay, I think we have considered all the branches in this loop C, B, E, C. The basic thing is KVL is applied to a closed loop only, and that loop should not contain any current sources. It should contain only active and passive elements. Active like only voltage sources, and resistors or inductors or capacitors. Okay, active and passive. And active should be only the voltage source. But if current sources are there, we apply only KCL for currents. Currents meeting at a junction is equal to 0. Sign is, that is our wish. Generally, I take positive for the approaching currents and the negative for the moving away currents, leaving currents from the node. For example, let us consider a node. This is the node. I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. So tell me, if I take the sign of approaching currents, approaching means which are meeting this node N, going towards the node N from somewhere. See, I1 is leaving N. So leaving means minus I1. What about I2? Sign of the I2, it is approaching the node N, so plus. I3, it is also approaching, plus I3. I4 is also approaching, plus I4. And I5 is leaving, minus I5, equal to 0. Algebraic sum of the currents meeting at a node, junction or node is equal to 0. Okay? And this is about KVL plus B minus HI plus into IB minus RL into IL equal to 0. If you move in this direction now, that is C to E, E to B, and B to C. You tell me the sign now. What will be the sign of? If you move from C to E, what is the element here? RL is there. So what is voltage drop across RL? Tell me. Only మీకోసమే చెప్తా, రిపీట్ చేస్తున్న KVL. Someone should answer me.
ప్లస్ అవుతుంది
చెప్పు, what is voltage drop across RL? voltage drop చెప్పండి.
సార్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ఎల్ ఇంటూ ఐఎల్.
RL into IL. Why plus? We are moving against the current. IL is
అగైనెస్ట్ కరెంట్.
against the current. So plus. Now we are moving like this from E to B now. Next E to B. In E to B, from E to B, if we move, we are seeing this. What is that? HIE. That is the resistance whose resistance is HIE, and current through that is IB. This is the voltage drop. We are moving against IB. Against IB. So it is plus. Sign of that voltage drop is plus. Now coming to this input voltage. Is it fall in potential or rise in potential? Fall or rise?
ఫాల్ ఇన్ పొటెన్షియల్.
Fall kada? From higher to lower. Plus is more than minus. Plus to minus we are moving. So it is fall. Fall in potential. So it will be negative minus into minus VB equal to 0. Are we getting the same equations or not? Both are same. Is it not? If you multiply this equation with the minus 1, you will get the same equation. Or you multiply this equation with minus 1, you will get the same equation. Okay. That's all about this KVL and KCL. ఇది లేకపోతే మనం ముందుకు వెళ్దాం బా, టఫే. So Ri is equal to VB by IB. Now let us, I forgot how erased all that complete equation. I'll write it again. VB minus HIE IB. We are moving the direction of current RL into IL equal to 0. Right? This is the equation that we got when we apply KVL to this loop. What is that loop? CB EC is the loop. CB is the loop. By applying KVL to this, after applying KVL, we got this. Okay. From this equation, we can find out this VB by IB. That is nothing but input resistance. What is IL? VB minus HIE into IB minus RL into IL is nothing but minus IE. Minus IE equal to 0. But what is IE? IE equal to, we have already derived, IE equal to minus IB into 1 plus HFE. Is it not? Minus IB into 1 plus HFE. So in place of IE, we can substitute this. So VB minus HIE into IB minus RL, minus into minus will become plus, and IE is minus IB into 1 plus HFE equal to 0. Okay, from this you can get VB by IB. VB by IB. Here you take IB common. ఫాస్ట్ లేరు అనుకుంటున్నా. మైనస్ టేక్ ఐబి కామన్, IB common, we'll get HIE plus 1 plus HFP equal to 0. From this we will get VB by IB equal to HIE plus HIE plus 1 plus HFP. Okay. This is input resistance. RI is equal to HIE plus 1 plus HFP. Where is RL? Forgot RL. Into RL. Okay. UB by IB is equal to HIE plus 1 plus HFE into RL. Already we know that 1 plus HFE is nothing but AI. You can write AI here also. You also can write. I will write here this RI is equal to HIE plus AI into RL. Okay. And where AI is equal to 1 plus HFE. What is the next parameter? Let us find out voltage gain now. AV. AV. Okay. What is AV? AV equal to VE by VB. AV equal to VE by VB or VL by VB, we can say. Let us say VE only. VE is nothing but VL only. V is nothing but voltage drop across RL, which can be denoted by VL. So I am writing AV is equal to VE by VB, where VE is equal to ILRL. Okay. So it is equal to ILRL by VB, which is equal to IL by IB into IB by VB into RL, which is equal to IL by IB is AI into IB by VB is 1 by VB by IB into RL. So AV is equal to AI into RL by RI. RI we know, AI we know. Okay. Substitute will get AV. Next, how to find out RO now? AV equal to AI into RL by RL. RO dash. Okay, students, what is your feeling? Are you following or not? ఎందుకంటే ఇది జస్ట్ రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నాం మీకోసం యూనిట్ మొత్తం. అందరిది అయిపోయినాయి ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్. అయిపోయింది కదా నేను సెకండ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమని చేసేస్తా. మీరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు సార్, గో మూవ్ ఆన్ టు సెకండ్ యూనిట్ అంటే నేను సెకండ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను ఎప్పటి నుంచి. ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉందా? కంటిన్యూ చేద్దామా ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్, మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ యూనిట్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా చెప్పండి. సిఆర్ ఎవరు క్లాస్కి?
తరుణ్ సార్.
తరుణ్ వచ్చిందా?
కంటిన్యూ చేయండి.
తరుణ్ కంటిన్యూ చేయాలా? ఓకే. ఎల్ఆర్ సంగీత కంటిన్యూ చేయాలా?
చేయండి సార్.
ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే మీకు అనలాగ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్ అంటేనే అంత కొత్తగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ గేట్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలన్నా కానీ ఈ సర్క్యూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది అంటే నీకు కూడా ఇష్టంగా చదువుకొని వచ్చి మంచిగా చెప్తాను. ఏముంది లేదు సార్, జస్ట్ పాస్ అవ్వడం పెద్ద పని కాదు, ఆల్ ఇన్ వన్ బుక్ ఉంది, చదువుకుంటాము, సెకండ్ యూనిట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఇంకా హ్యాపీ. నేను కూడా పెయిన్ తీసుకుంటున్నా, ఇది ఒక రివిజన్ అనుకుంటున్నా ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్. Okay, let us find out RO now, that is output resistance. Looking from the second port, arrow mark indicates we are looking from this end. See, for this output circuit, is there any resistance? If you look at this second port from this end, any resistance is there? It is open circuit, is it not? Anna kada? Open circuit ikkada em ledhu intavariki, ikkada current pass avutha undi. A line is, a wire is there, in that current is moving. You can assume like that. A current source is there here. You can just say nothing is there. So that output resistance
Yes, sir.
R0 is infinite. Can you say? There is nothing is there. This is open circuit. For open circuit, resistance will be infinite. If it is a short circuit, resistance will be 0. Since it is open circuit, it is open. Nothing is there. If you look at these two. Look at this end from the second end, second port, that is EC, let us say, and this is BC. Into the EC, we say that into the port EC, if you try to calculate the resistance, nothing is there.
Sir.
Okay, no, in the munde unde 1/HOG unde, but adi ledhu kada. So output resistance RO is infinite. Now if you look at this end, from this end now, through RL, what are the resistance that are there? Parallel to each other. Here one resistance is there, let us say, whose resistance is infinite ohms. Here RL is there. So from this end, R0 naught is equal to resistance who's having infinite resistance, resistor with infinite resistance, and another one is RL. These two are in parallel to each other. Parallel combination of these two is R0 dash, which is equal to, we can write 1 by infinity plus 1 by RL is equal to 1 by R0 dash. This is 0 plus 1 by RL equal to 1 by R0 dash. So from this we can write equation, we can write R0 dash equal to RL. So R0 dash is, R0 is infinite and R0 dash is equal to RL only. Okay. We have found all the parameters except these two, that is current gain, voltage gain, considering the source. Let us do it quickly. What is time now?
12 అయింది సార్.
12 అయిందా? Let us stop. నాకు ఐడియా
Okay.
తెలిసిపోతుంది టైం 1 hour అయిందంటే. ఓకే, ఎనాలిసిస్ పార్ట్ మీరు ఇంతకుముందు కొన్ని చేసాం కదా, కొన్ని డెరివేషన్స్. Based on those derivations, I think you can do this. This IS is equal to IL by IS, okay, which can be written as IL by IE into IE by IB into IB by IC. Actually, called this IS. This IL by IB, you can get it from this circuit. This circuit nunchi ravochu. And IE by IB is nothing but minus AI. This we have to derive. IB by IS we have to derive from this equation. Diniki IE by IB is what? IL by IE into this is IL by IB is minus AI into IB by IS. దీనికి ఒక సర్క్యూట్ తీసుకోవాలి, దీనికి ఒక సర్క్యూట్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఈ రిలేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఐఎల్ బై ఐఈకి ఐఎల్ ఆర్ఎల్ IL is nothing but minus IE. Okay? If you write minus IE, you will get -1 here. IL is nothing but minus IE. How to find out IB by IS? For IB by IS, you consider this. VS, RS, and here you can replace the circuit by RI. RI. Voltage across this is VB. VB. Here IB is also equal to IS. So in this circuit, it is nothing but AB only, AI only. This is -1 minus AI and IB by IS. IB equal to IS, right? IS equal to IB, so it is equal to 1. So this is equal to AI. Okay, AIS is nothing but AI only. Okay. I'll take the attendance now. Roll number 1.
తనకి సిగ్నల్
Option
ప్రాబ్లం
two.
కట్ అయింది సార్.
Okay, attend చేస్తున్నా 15 plus. Vinay Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Madan.
Present, sir. 3 present, sir.
Okay, 3 present. Sarita. Sarita absent. Sunil.
Present, sir. Do not.
Okay, 4 present. Sunil. Sunil absent. Yaswant. Yaswant absent. Pravalika.
Present, sir.
Present. 8. Mahit. 8 absent. Manasa 9. Absent. 10 Gangadhar.
Present, sir.
Present. Saranya 11. Absent. 12 Abhinaya.
Present, sir.
Present. Srija 13.
Present, sir.
14 Kirti.
Present, sir.
Kirti present. 15 Venkatesh.
Sir, 211 present, sir.
211 present. 15 Venkatesh ఉన్నడా? Saranya present 211.
Yes, sir.
వచ్చింది సార్.
Okay, Venkatesh. Venkatesh absent. Okay. 16 Nitish.
16, yes, sir.
Okay, 13. Amulya, 17.
Present, sir.
18, Vikas.
Present, sir.
20, Madhavi.
Present, sir.
20, Sangeeta.
Present, sir.
21, Shashikumar.
21 absent, sir.
ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఇంతవరకు ఒక్కటి కూడా రాలే 10% ఆప్షన్ 22 రవితేజ
22 present, sir.
ఓకే 23 ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి
Present, sir. Sir, 22 present, sir.
ఓకే 22 ప్రజెంట్ ఓకే అటెండెన్స్ ఇచ్చాను 24 దినేష్
Present, sir.
25 అజయ్ ఆబ్సెంట్ శివ కవిత 26
26 present, sir.
శివ కవిత వి అని వస్తుంది ఓకే 70 28 శ్రీనాథ్ attendance is very low 29 Tarun
Present, sir.
और CR Tarun है ना
Yes, sir.
అటెండెన్స్ తక్కువ ఉంది నీది ఓకే 30 ప్రియాంక ఆబ్సెంట్ భాష 31 ఆబ్సెంట్ జాకీ షరీఫ్ ఆబ్సెంట్ యాసిన్ ఆబ్సెంట్ 35 వంశీ కృష్ణ ఆబ్సెంట్ 36 రేణుకా ఆబ్సెంట్ సుప్రియ 37 సిగ్నల్ మిస్ అయిందా వినపడుతుందా లేదా ప్రవీణ్ 38 అలా ఆబ్సెంట్ 39 సందీప్ కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ సంగీత వినపడుతుందా వెళ్ళిపోయినారేంటి 40 ప్రవళిక
40 present, sir.
41 వెంకట్ 42
Present, sir.
42 12 43 ప్రవళిక
Present, sir. 43.
ఓకే 42 ఆల్సో ప్రజెంట్ 44 శ్రీనివాసులు
Absent.
ఆబ్సెంట్ 45 లోకేష్
Present, sir. Very good.
ఆబ్సెంటా ప్రజెంటా
Present, sir. 45 present.
45 లోకేష్ ప్రజెంట్ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ 46 నాగరాజు
Present, sir. Absent, sir.
నాగరాజు వచ్చాడు 47 అనూష
Sir,
Present,
46
sir.
present, sir.
ఓకే 46 ప్రజెంట్ ఓకే మార్క్ చేశా 48 సందీప్ ఆబ్సెంట్ 49 తరుణ్
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
ప్రజెంట్ 4 51 వంశీ కృష్ణ 52 ప్రవీణ్ 53 ప్రజెంట్ ఉమేష్ చంద్ ప్రజెంట్ కదా ఓకే 54 మేఘన 54 మేఘన వచ్చినట్టుండే మేఘన ఆబ్సెంట్ ఈశ్వర్
Present, sir.
ఈశ్వర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఓకే నిన్న కూడా వచ్చారు
సార్
ఆ?
208 present, సార్. ఇందాక వినిపిస్తే సిగ్నల్ రాలేదు, సార్.
ఓకే దారా
మహిత్,
కదా?
సార్. మహిత్, సార్.
మహిత్ ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే, సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ,
ఎనీ
సార్.
కరెక్షన్స్ వెల్కమ్
Sir, 30 present, sir.
30 ప్రియాంక right okay see you in the next class have a good day